What's up? It's Hailey and I'm going to be taking you through a tutorial of my favorite peachy, glowy makeup look. I like to start fresh-faced and I start with these Glow Drops by Dr. Barbara Sturm. I use my hands on my face because I know where my hands have been. So I'm using this Tom Ford concealer. My hands are slippery. Don't do that, it's bad for your teeth. Basically, I'll just put it like a little under my eyes. I was always told to tap your concealer, don't rub it. I get really red because my skin gets really, really dry, especially when it's like allergy season, which is now. Okay, next I would go into my bronzing, because obviously with looking glowy, being tan, hello, comes with that. So I'm using this Tom Ford palette. I don't just like to put bronzer in my cheekbones, I put it on my actual cheeks too because I think it makes you look more tan. Blend it into the hairline a little bit. I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. I'm really, really picky about my eyebrows. I usually just brush them and kind of call it a day because I don't like for my eyebrows to look too done. Next, I'm going to move on to cheeks. I like this Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer. I think when you're doing a sun-kissed, glowy type of thing, when you bring it across your nose, it kind of makes it actually look like you got caught in the sun. Because you know when you get that tan, that's like that tan. You know what I mean? No? Okay. Now for the glowing part. Back to the Tom Ford palette. Take the highlighter. Tap a little on the nose. Tap a little right on the Cupid's bow. So it just looked like I was flipping off the camera. I use this Armani pressed face powder. And I just do it like right in the areas where I get a little bit oily. I take the bronzer. Slay. Mascara. I use a MAC. If I had to choose two things to take to a desert island, for sure it would be lip balm and mascara. I would die without lip balm. Oh, I put it on the bottom lash because I feel like those guys get abandoned. I always add a powder highlight at the very end because I think it helps give you that extra glow. I use Laura Mercier. I want that glow for the gods. The last thing that I do is always a little bit of lip color. So I'm gonna use this Sisley stick. I never put lipstick on like that. So I usually just kind of tap it on. And my last and final thing, because this is my favorite type of makeup to wear in the summertime, you have to protect your face. So I'm gonna put a little bit of SPF setting powder. Protect your skin, it's very important. Okay, well that's it. There you have it. And I'm gonna go.